Hi everyone, my name is Emily and today I'm going to be making a wire leaf and UV resin phone case. I got this idea from this channel called DIY Crafts Obaran, and she does a lot of UV resin and wire crafts and a lot of pretty floral things. So I wanted to give it a try for myself. I hope you guys enjoy. Let's go over the materials. You'll need UV resin, cups for mixing, dried flowers, acrylic paint, gold jewelry wire, leaf-shaped glitters, pearls, paintbrushes, something round, doesn't have to be a Posca marker, nippers and pliers, resin colorants, sandpaper, and of course a phone case. Okay, so first I'll start by shaping the leaves with wire. Start by cutting a length of wire and bending it in half. Pinch with pliers to make the tip of the leaf, then wrap the wire around a round object to make the leaf shape. Cut off any excess. After that, cut a length of wire that matches the length of your phone case to make a stem. To prepare the case for decorating, sand it. This will help the resin stick. After sanding, apply a thin coat of resin with a brush. Then, arrange the leaves and stem. Now we can get to decorating. I'll start with the pressed flowers. I had a really hard time getting them out of the case for some reason. Now I'll add a few pearls. I was having trouble with the tweezers, so I ended up using a dotting tool dipped in candle wax. Last, I'll add some leaf-shaped glitter. Once I'm done, I'll cure it fully under a UV lamp. All done decorating. Next, I'll mix up 2 colors of UV resin to fill in the leaves. I'll make a light green, and then a darker green to make a gradient effect. I'll apply the resin to each leaf carefully with a toothpick, with the dark green at the bottom and the light green at the top. I recommend working quickly and curing before switching colors if your leaves aren't completely flat on your case, like mine. Use a lighter to remove any air bubbles. Ta-da! As you can see, I ended up with a leak because my leaves weren't flat as I said, but I have an idea. Nothing a bit of gold paint can't fix. After your case has fully cured, prepare some gold, green, and light green paints. I start by using a brush to begin to cover the leaked resin with gold. I then start blocking out a couple of leaf shapes with the light green. Next, I go in with a dotting tool to make the color opaque. I like to start with the brush to get an idea of the shape I want. Then, when I'm ready to commit, I go for the dotting tool. Now I'll add some dark green shading with the brush. Off camera, I darkened the gold on the leaked spot and added some extra gold flourishing. Last, I'll brush on another coat of UV resin and fully cure it. And voila, it's done. If you like this video and want to see more, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. Thanks for watching!